Hey there, thinking of buying a house in the good old USA? Maybe you're dreaming of a cozy cottage, a modern condo, or a classic family home with a white picket fence. Well, you're not alone. Today I'm diving into just how much cash you really need to make that dream a reality. There's a lot more to it than just the sticker price. So let's break it all down together. First things first, let's talk about the big one, the down payment. This is usually the largest chunk of money you'll need up front. On average, you're looking at around 20% of the home's price. That's the traditional amount lenders like to see, and it can help you avoid extra fees like private mortgage insurance. So, for a $300,000 home, that's about $60,000. It's a big number, but it's not the only way in. But hey, don't panic yet. There are options for folks who don't have that much saved up. Some loans, like FHA, might let you get away with as little as 3.5%. That means you could get started with just $500 down on that same $300,000 house. Next up, closing costs. These are all the fees and expenses you pay to finalize the deal, and they can really add up. These can range from 2 to 5% of the home's price. Things like loan origination fees, title searches, and even prepaid taxes sneak in here. So for that $300,000 home, we're talking anywhere from $6,000 to $15,000. It's smart to get a detailed estimate from your lender early on. Remember to budget for things like appraisal fees, title insurance, and legal fees. These are essential steps to make sure your new place is really yours. Now, let's not forget about moving costs. Getting all your stuff from point A to point B isn't free. Whether you're hiring movers or bribing your friends with pizza, it's an expense that's easy to overlook. Even packing supplies and truck rentals can add up quickly. Set aside at least a few $100 for this one. If you're moving long distance, you might need even more. You've also got to think about those sneaky recurring costs. These are the bills that keep coming month after month. Property taxes, homeowners insurance, and any HOA fees can add up. Sometimes these can be hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. These vary widely depending on where you buy. Big cities in certain states can be much pricier than others. For example, folks in New Jersey might pay higher property taxes than those in, say, Alabama. It's worth researching your area before you buy. And here's a pro tip. Always have an emergency fund. Life happens, right? A leaky roof or broken heater can pop up when you least expect it. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up is a smart move. This safety net can keep you from stressing if something unexpected comes along. Lastly, if you're buying a fixer-upper, consider renovation costs. Even small updates like painting or new flooring can add up fast. Make sure to get a good estimate before you dive in. It's better to plan ahead than be surprised by a big bill later. So, in a nutshell, the dream of owning a home can be within reach with careful planning. Take your time, do your homework, and don't rush the process. It's all about knowing your numbers and being prepared. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel when it's time to make an offer. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Your situation, your budget, and your dreams are unique to you. Everyone's journey is unique. Whether you're buying your first home or your fifth, it's a big step worth celebrating. Good luck and happy house hunting. I'm rooting for you every step of the way. Hope this helps you understand the cost of buying a house in the USA a bit better. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on navigating the world of real estate. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.